In this enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at the structured view for data discovery and visualizing and understanding relationships in your entities. We are inside the enterprise test data portal. So far, we've been looking at the definition view, which allows us to come in and view a flat file structure of our tables, the columns, and the different schemas we have. The other view we have is our definition structure. And what this allows us to do is to come into a data source that we have created. And basically, we can come into that and we can start to browse through the tables and the relationships we have between them. What that means is we can see the tables accounts are related to, and then we can start navigating through and expanding them in a structured view like so. Now, what this means is, firstly, it's a great way to understand the relationships and navigate through them. But also, if there are missing foreign keys or there are soft keys you want to add, you can come into any table and you can quickly add them in by browsing through this structure. The other benefit here is you can quickly build up views, and then you can add these into the diagram builder, which allows you to go off and view your entity relationships and your radial diagrams incredibly quickly. So this gives you an alternate view to browsing your data definitions. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.